Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve rosy lips. First, let's focus on hydration, which is fundamental for healthy, vibrant lips. Drinking enough water throughout the day is crucial for overall skin health, including your lips. Additionally, consistently applying a quality lip balm with sun protection factor will shield them from environmental stressors. Remember, resist the urge to lick your lips, as this often leads to increased dryness. Next, gentle exfoliation is key to revealing that natural rosy hue. Aim to exfoliate your lips 1 to 2 times each week to slough off any dry, flaky skin. You can use a soft bristled toothbrush or a simple homemade sugar scrub for this. After exfoliating, a light massage can significantly boost blood circulation, bringing a beautiful, natural flush to your lips. This simple step makes a big difference. Now, let's explore some natural ways to enhance and protect your lips. For a temporary, healthy tint, consider dabbing a little beet juice onto your lips. It provides a lovely, natural color without harsh chemicals. For deep nourishment, regularly apply natural oils like almond oil or shea butter. These ingredients keep your lips soft and supple. Always remember to shield your lips from harsh weather, which can cause damage and dullness. Finally, your diet and lifestyle play a significant role in achieving and maintaining rosy lips. A balanced diet, packed with vitamins and antioxidants, supports healthy skin from within. Try to limit habits like smoking and excessive caffeine intake, as these can sometimes lead to lip discoloration over time. And speaking of making things easy, check out the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Consistent care and healthy choices will keep your lips looking their best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.